Okay guys, let's have a look at this one. This is page 5 now. I should have said on the previous chapter when I was doing 15 squared and working out by hand that we could have used a calculator, of course. So we'll use a calculator in this question on page 5, question 3. Now we got this quadrilateral or polygon, a four-sided shape. And we know the angles inside here add up to 360. It would be nice to explain why that was the case, but I'm not going to do that here because time does not permit me. So let's just take that as said then, that these angles, these four angles, add up to 360 degrees. So let's go through them then. So what have we got? We've got this one, 132, plus this one, 3x, plus the next one, which is 60, plus x, which is there, must add up to 360 degrees. Yeah, 132, 3x, 60, and x. So what have we got then? We've got 132 and 60, which is 192. That's that one and that one added together. Then you've got 3x and x, so you've got 4x added together. And you've got that's equal to 360. Now we want to move the 192 across the equals, don't we? So leave the 4x where it is, leave the 360 where it is, and we'll move the 192 across the equals and flip the sign to a minus. So we got 4x then equals 360 take 192. Let's tap it in our calculator. So 360 minus 192. Well, I'll get it right in a minute because I had that in my calculator before. 360 minus 192 then equals, yeah, that's it, 168. Agreed? Let's put that down. And then we now need to divide by 4 both sides, in effect moving the 4 from times on one side. Leave the x where it is to divide on the other side. So that side is divided by 4. Divide 168 by 4. Let's just tap it in the calculator so that we're all happy with this. Divided by 4, we get 42. Agreed? So 42 then. X is 42 degrees. There we go. So that should work out, shouldn't it? If we put that in a calculator, like x is 42 here, and 3x would be 3 times 42. Let's just do that. 3 times 42. So I'm just double checking things. This is what you would do at the end of the test. You wouldn't walk out early. You would say, right now, I've got some spare time here. I can now go through all the paper and check if I've not made any silly mistakes. So now I'm doing that here in the question while we're doing it. So let's just check it then. We've got 42 plus 132 plus 126. And then the last one was 60, wasn't it? Plus 60 in the diagram. We should get, yeah, that's fine. So we're fairly happy that we've double checked question 3. And that's what you'd do that at the end, time permitting, wouldn't you? Okay then, so that's this page done. Page 5. Good, so let's go on to the next. Oh, hang on. There's a tiny bit to put in at the end. It asks us to put the answer here. 42 degrees. There we go. Okay, good. Let's go on to the next page then. Great.